Are you an SMSF auditor? G'day, Peter Johnson here from Advisors Digest, here to talk to SMSF auditors about their ongoing CPD requirements. If you are a member of one of the major professional bodies, which you almost have to be an SMSF auditor, you have a requirement over 3 years to do 30 specific hours of SMSF and audit training. You must do 8 hours of superannuation training. You must do 8 hours of audit training, and you must do 4 hours of financial statement preparation training. Now, I understand that that's only 20 hours and you need 30. The other 10 can come from any of those 3 areas. Like you, most of us would prefer the extra hours to be superannuation hours because we get more benefit from that for the rest of our businesses. At Advisors Digest, we are the only organisation that actually provides a specific program to give you your 30 hours over the 3 years. We give you 8 hours of audit training. We give you 4 hours of financial statement preparation training. And then we take the rest of it up to 36 hours in superannuation training. So we give you 36 hours instead of 30 because it's an hour a month over 3 years. Your full CPD complement. It also complies with the ASIC requirement to do 30 hours, but they don't require the financial statement preparation. So really, you've got to do 34 hours to comply with both ASIC and the profession. Thanks for your interest in our SMSF Auditors ongoing CPD. Just to sweeten the deal a little bit, what I'll do is I'll give you access to our SMSF Video Vault. Now, this vault is a fantastic resource. It has around 300 technical support queries, real technical support queries asked of me from accountants like you, where I answer it in a video and I put the video into our vault. You have access to all 300, and we release a new video for you to watch every week, and so some of them are repeats, but every second week is a new one. Because of that, we give you another 10 hours of CPD. So now if you sign up, instead of getting your 12 hours a year of CPD, you'll get 22 hours of SMSF, quality SMSF CPD. So please go forward. One program, high quality SMSF training delivered online at your own time, modules that you watch on our system. Want to find out more? Click on the button below and get your SMSF auditor training up to speed.